Hello everyone, I am Tawseed Zaman, the lead developer at the Benefactor.net, a crypto-driven social media platform. And today we will talk about the PIP token and its use cases in the Benefactor.net. So PIP token or Paid Forward is the core currency or cryptocurrency at the Benefactor.net. Since it's a crypto-driven social media platform, so we gotta be using cryptocurrency, right? So for that we created a native token, and that is PIP token or paid forward token. So to discuss the PIP token and its use cases in the benefactor.net, there is nothing that can better explain it than the white paper. So you can find the white paper at our website as well, and I will leave a link to this in the description below as well. So either you can download the PDF version of the white paper. Here I have it, and there is a web version for the white paper as well. So you can navigate through the points that are mentioned in the white paper, and you can also download the PDF version. So let's just get into it. So PET token or PET powered is the native currency for the benefactor.net crypto-driven social media platform. And since it's a social media platform, we are using the PIP token in a lot of different places within the platform. So currently we have deployed the token only on Binance chain, and you can find that information in the white paper as well. And there is a plan to launch them on Ethereum and Polygon as well. And you can check out the contract and all those information in the BSC chain. So if you go to bscscan.com and enter the PIP token address, you will find the contract. At the time I'm recording this video, we are at the pre-sale stage, and you can buy the tokens at pre-sale from our website. So if you go to the dashboard, and if you don't have account already, there will be a link in the description. If you register using that provided link, you will get some bonus tokens for registration. So if you go to the benefactor.net/dashboard, you will find the PIP token free sale. And since we are currently on Binance chain, you can click on Binance BNB PIP free sale, and you will be redirected to the page where you can buy the token. Connect wallet and buy the token. So we will create a new video about that and how to buy the token. And for now, we want to discuss the PIP token and its use cases. And the first use case, then the one of the major use case that is the donation. So on our platform, users can anyone or any user can create a donation campaign, and everyone every user of the platform can donate to the campaign that is created. So the campaign has to be approved by the team, and whenever you create a campaign, it will be approved by the team, and after that every one user of the platform can donate to the campaign. Then we have three different types of platform rewards. So some, like, they are distributed daily. There are daily PIF rewards. If you go to your user preferences, you will find options for that. If you go to the enable rewards page, you will get options to enable or disable rewards, and you can find some information about this as well. So then we have banner advertisement. This is another big use case of the PIP token. So just like you might have seen on other social medias where you can promote a post, or you can promote some, or you can create some ad campaigns. Just like that, we you can do the same right here, but instead you are going to pay with the PIP token. Then we have the paid for click reward. So we have a referral program where you can share your link, and everyone's clicking on your link will get a referral program. So we have divided the pay per click or PPC and referral rewards into two categories, because the PPC rewards are a little bit different than referral rewards. So just like it's like whenever someone clicks on your referral link, you get rewarded as long as it's a unique click. And we have referrals program. Let's say someone clicked on your link and then registered an account, so that is considered a referral reward. And also that there is a VIP referral reward system where users can participate in VIP referrals reward system. and get more tokens on referrals. Another use case of the PIP token in the benefactor.net is the tip feature. So everyone can tip a user. Let's say I want to tip this post. I like the post and I want to tip this user. Here we got the option to tip that user. And then moving forward, we have a lottery feature and a use case for the PIP token. So just like normal lotteries, here you will use the PIP token to participate in lotteries, and if you win, you will get the tokens. Then coming up next, we have email marketing subscriptions and some other cool features for the PIP token. But for now, at the pre-sale stage, we currently have these use cases for the PIP token. So if you haven't registered on the benefactor.net yet, link will be available in the description below as well. And if you got any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.